Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach class and objects of Java. What is the class and what is the objects? This is very important stuff while you work within the Java, right? This is the important stuff when you work with the framework and all. First you must learn this, right? Class, which is nothing but a blueprint or template. This is just a blueprint. Here you have nothing. This is just a blueprint. It's a called as class in Java. Right, so here this is a dog. It has starting bracket and closing bracket. Inside the class we have two important things. What are those? Attributes and methods. What is the attributes? Imagine you have a dog. Dog, what is the attributes? Dog as a name, right? Dog as a name. Dog as a color, right? Those are dog as a color, dog as a name. Those are the attributes of dog. Dog as a age. So let me define the things. So you have to write attribute string, dog as a name, dog as a age, dog as a color. These are the attribute of dog. What is the method of dog? What is the method of dogs? Methods, we have a dog as a method, which is a dog as run, one method. Okay, dog as bark. So we have another method called bark, white bark. Dog has another method called bite. These are the methods of dogs. So now you can understand what is a class and objects of Java. It is a class which is nothing but a blueprint or template. Inside the class we have attributes and methods. Methods we called as another name is a behavior. This is attributes we called as a properties. Properties of the class or attributes of the class. Methods. Okay, the dog class, how it's big, how it's behave. Okay, it's run, bark, and bite. These are the appearance, right? Now we have an idea. What is dog? What is the attributes of the dog? What is the method of the dogs? Method, which is nothing but how the behavior of the dog. It is nothing but a behavior of the dog. It is nothing but a attributes of the dog. That's it, right? Now let's do these things in the practical lesson. Now here I'm going to go to create the new class, file, new project. So type class objects Java. Here type the Java. Here right click next. Here to select IntelliJ. Okay, here build the system. Here Java version 17. Click next. This window. Okay. Now this is your project. Okay. Now here this is your project. Now this is the main class. Now you can see the main class here. It will be working here. Will be able the main class is created. Now here this one, what you're going to do is I'm going to go to delete them. I'm going to delete them. Here I'm going to select this one, new Java class. Here I'm going to create the new class as dog. Click on this, double click on this dog class, which is a blueprint or template. This is just a class. I'm going to implement the attributes of the dog, string, name of the dog, name, age, You have defined the age, int age. After that, string color. These are the attributes of the dog. This is the attributes of the dog. So what are the method of the dog? So you have to write public. You have to method. You have to write void barking, which is the one method of the dog. Another one is we have a method, another called void bite. This is a method. Okay. So bark, bite. You have a run. It's another method. Okay. These are the attributes. These are the methods or behavior of the dog. Okay. So what you are going to do is now I want to dog is barking. So how to bark? So you have to write system dot out dot println. You have to type bark. You have to wow 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 wow. It's a bite. It just be white. After that it is running. So dog is running. This is biting. Biting. Right. These are the methods. Okay. So this is the attributes of the dog. This is the method of the dog. This is the class and object is behave. This is very important of where you may moving to the frameworks. Right. Now I'm going to go to create the new class, which is select the src folder, right click new Java class. You have to create this one as a test dog. Test dog. Click create. Here we have to implement the main method. So public static void main. You have to type string arrays. This is the array. Open bracket and close bracket. Here you have to get the copy of the dog class. Okay, we have to get the copy. This is the copy. Okay, this is the copy of the class. You can implement a, you can call this copy. If you are using the more than class, this copy you can use more than classes. This is just a copy. Okay, these are the attributes and method. You can use many classes. So here I am going to get this copy. So you have to create this dog class. You have to create the object. You have to write dog. So your dog, we have name it as Jimmy equal new dog. You have to create the object. How to create the object? Using the new keyword to create the object. The object which I created use which name is Jimmy. So you can see now Jimmy, this is the object of this class. If you are create the using new keyword, all the properties and method, all the things should be assigned to the passing to the Jimmy object. So Jimmy dot, yeah, Jimmy has a age. Jimmy is a dog which has a age. Okay, this is Jimmy as a dog class. Okay, this Jimmy has a dog class. We have a attribute of age. Okay, Jimmy is a as a color, name, there is a method, all things. Right? So I want to Jimmy name. I'm going to use a Jimmy. Okay, you can put this one as instead of Jimmy, you can get D1, dog 1. You write dog 1, then you can not confuse dog 1. Okay, so dog 1, which name is Jimmy. Dog 1, it has a color black. Dog 1, which has a age 3. That's it. These are the attributes. We can get it here. Right? Okay. So now we have to call the method which is a dog 1. I want to get the method which is a barking. That's it. Okay. Now if you are print out, you can see only the barking only print out. So if you execute that, the program. Here if you click on this play button, you can execute the program. Right here, this is the play button. Here it's building. Right here, wow only the printing. Now I want to get these properties, how to print it out. You have to type the system dot out dot println. You have to type this, how to use them. Dog dot name. Okay, you have to use this, the Jimmy, which is a name which will be assigning to here. Right, we assign to here. So we have to call it like this. If you want to print out the color, so you have to write using the concatenate operator. Dog name is, you have to write here dog name. Okay, so here the same thing, I just copy and paste it over here. Color, dog color is, write this color, you have to use this color. Okay, third one, the dog which age is, dog age is, you have to put this age. That's it. Now let's run and check how things working on. Yeah, wow, dog name is Jimmy. Here we need a space between here. Here we need a space. You can see dog name is Jimmy, dog color is black, dog age is 3. Okay, it is working perfectly well. Right, I hope you understood things well. I'll be doing another exercises of the class and objects. Right, so this thing you have a, I think you have a good experience of this one. Okay, so if you are consider the another example, human. Right, so human, so let's do the another example. It's a human, so you have understanding. Okay, another one. Right, so I'm going to create the class project Java IntelliJ. Don't create my one or Gradle. This is a IntelliJ, just a class we have to create. We are not going to implement any dependencies. Right, now here the main method, I'm going to delete them. Now instead of the dog, we are using the human class. Human, which is a name, age, color. You are using the breed. Okay, there are many things you have to use. What is the human? Behave, run, talk, and eat. These are the behavior of the human. Okay, these are the attributes of the human. These are the behavior of the human. This is the attributes. This is the methods. So how can I implement this? Simply. Okay. Now let's look at how to implement the attributes and method of the human. Right. So select the src folder, new Java class. Select this one. You have to name it as human, which is a class. Right. Human. This is a just a template. This is just a template. Nothing is there. This is just a template, which is nothing is there. We have to implement the attributes and behaviors. So how to implement this? I already show you my I already shown you when I did the dog class. So the same scenario we have do it over here. So first you have to write string name, the name of the human. Second one, the age of the human. You have to implement the appropriate data type, which is a data type, the variable name, which is age. After that, you have to implement the string name, age. Third one, I am going to implement the color. After that, you have to implement the color of the human. Right, that's it. What's the behavior? Right? Your behavior, run, just type set system dot out dot println. Running, eating, eat. You can, if you want, you can write eating. You type this T to this here, just copy it, paste it here. This one eating. That's it. We have a, these are the attributes, these are the behaviors. Now how to implement this one? You have to click new Java class. Your type is test human. Test human. Now you have to create the main method, public static void main. You type string args array. You have type over here. You have to create the human class. The human. Get the object h1 equal new human. You have type over here h1 dot human is the person. He has a name. Okay, so he has a name. We have to call it as John. Human is a person who has a age. Okay, human is a person. Okay, so here the human, the h1 I'm going to give the h1 mean I just use the create the object as h1. So human is a belongs to this human class. Okay, this h1 is belongs to the human class. So it has a name, age property. So we can access the age property 51 and h1 dot color equal black. He has a method h1 dot eat h1 dot run. Right. Now I want to print out this one. Which one? Human, these two things. These all things I want to print out. So how to print out? System dot out dot println. I want to call these two things. You just copy and paste it over here. You have to get the name of the human. If you want to get the age of the human, the same thing, just copy and paste it over here. We will be getting the age of the human. If you want to get the color of the human, you just copy and paste it over here. You have to get the color of the human. These are the simple steps we have to run the program. You just run the program. You can check it. Here, eating, running, all things are print out successful. Okay, the eating mean if you are calling first eat method, it is print out the eating. Second time you are print the run method, you are calling running. After that your system dot h1 name, what the name is there, it has been printed. If you are calling the age, what's the age you have written here, it has been printed. What's the color you have written, it has been printed. Okay, now you have a clear enough idea about the class and object. Thank you for watching.